This is the Freepod 3, Oraimo latest addition to their Earbuds lineup. It was released just 2 days ago and I cooked mine immediately on their Jumia official store. In this video, I'll be unboxing it and giving you my first impressions. But before we proceed, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you'll be the first to know whenever the full review drops. The Oraimo Freepod 3 comes in a green box just like every Oraimo product with some branding and its key features. On the first side of the box is Baba himself holding the Freepod 3 case to his eyes and what Oraimo calls ENC, that is Environmental Noise Cancellation Technology, which they claim will reduce background noise during calls. I will test that for you in the full review, so stay tuned for that. To the back of the box is a lot more brandings and specifications list. Oraimo boasts of 2 modes, which are the awareness mode and the bass mode. The bass mode can be likened to noise cancellation. More of that later in the video. And to the side of the box, the remainder of the specifications, such as double fixed, 13mm driver, powerful bass, IPX5 water resistant and dust resistant, etc. And to the other side of the box is the rest of the branding. Opening the box was an hassle for me. Oraimo packaging is definitely a 10 out of 10. I totally loved it, but it took me a while for me to know how to open the box. Opening the box, we are greeted with a thick plastic, and underneath it is the Freepod 3 itself, tucked perfectly with plastic wrap. There are 2 tiny boxes housing a USB Type-C cable, which I am glad Oraimo has here, considering the price of these earbuds, and extra ear tips and the user manual. About the tips, it is unique and not like anything we are used to seeing from Oraimo. It is what differentiates the awareness mode from the bass mode. Using the Freepod 3 with the ear tip will make listening more immersive with more bass, as the name implies. It will also make listening to music over a long period of time more enjoyable, as it will be softer on the ear. The earbud shape is similar to that of Apple's AirPods Pro, just like the Freepod 2 is similar to original AirPods. It has shorter stems and is pretty light. The case is also decent. It has Oraimo branding, a 3-level battery indicator, and beneath it is the charging port. Overall, I love how the case feels. It is not heavy at all. You barely notice it if you toss it in your pocket. I have been using the Freepod 3 for a few hours now and I am loving it so far. The sound quality is definitely an upgrade to the Freepod 2. The Oraimo Freepod 3 currently costs 13,300 naira right now, and you can grab your own on Jumia and their official website. This will be the end of this video. Let me know if you have any burning question in the comments. I'll be glad to answer. Until the next one, au revoir.